Claude just got this new visualizer, and this is one of those things that you never know you needed the most. So instead of just throwing text back at you, it can generate visuals, fully interactive visuals right inside the chat. Like suppose I typed, "Show me how to fold a paper airplane," and it gave me this. A step-by-step, fully animated and interactive instructions. Not any link or any screenshot. Built live in the chat. Same thing here. Moon phases. I just drag this and it shows me what's actually happening here. I can click on any phases and it gets me all the details. And it all happened with a single prompt. Now you might think, isn't this just artifact? The HTML stuff we already had in Claude? Not quite. The artifacts are open-ended. You can build anything that you want. A mini game, a calculator, whatever. It's still there. The visualizer is a little different. It has a design guideline baked into it. Instead of just spitting random HTML at you, it knows how to explain stuff visually. There's an intent behind the output. Compare that to something like an artifact. They both are very useful, but they serve a different purpose. ChatGPT also have the same kind of feature. They're calling it widgets. Now, the concept is same on paper, but here's the thing. With OpenAI, you will have to define a component template first, and the AI will use that component to render their response. Be mindful, it's not generating the whole UI. With Claude, it's building the whole thing from the scratch, real time, based on what you asked. And the quality is literally different. I have tested both. The OpenAI widgets are a little hard to configure in a way that actually works. And the Claude just does it. And this visualizer isn't the only thing they have shipped. They have also launched Dispatch. It's basically Claude can now autonomously handle multiple steps in your computer. Now, it not just answers, it can perform stuff. Now think about OpenClaw. It's a powerful open source agent that runs locally. Now it can access your WhatsApp, it can access your apps, or it can even access your files. Can even automate tasks in background. People were going crazy about it. Now, the thing is, it doesn't have its own brain. Or you can say it doesn't have any AI built into it. So it uses Claude or OpenAI. And now Claude has launched its own autonomous agent directly. And this is something OpenClaw should be scared of. And if this video was helpful to you, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want custom for your business, it can be a web application or an automation. That's what we exactly do. You can book your first free appointment from the link below in the description. And I will see you in the next one.